I heard this from Myron Golden, right? Um, and he was saying, which makes actually sense. People don't, some people don't like to be sold. They like to be sold, they don't like to be convinced. And I want to showcase something where you can be part of a transformation. I think this is why I love what I actually do, because I get to be the transformation of someone's like solution, where I get paid from it. Now, a goal for me is to get paid like residual. Like, I don't want to just do one sale. Goal for me is to like keep on the sale because I get to be part of that transformation. But regardless, does not matter, right? A transformation is still a transformation. Okay, so you have here the sale that happened, right? So I get, which is always what I say. I say you have somebody that bought, right, at 217, right? At 220, you get paid. Very simple. Model as simple as ever, right? The thing is, people aren't scared of selling. They're scared of being rejected. They're scared of not knowing the solution after, which is normal, right? But as Myron Gold said, it's about the convincing. I didn't have to convince him to try the product out. He tried it himself and then wanted to try it longer. Now, of course, in me, I probably would have said, hey, why don't you try it longer? But he was happy to like try it out for like a whole month. Generally, I always say, hey, in order for you, when you go to see the doctor, they generally say for like 3 months, you should try something minimum. You can't just try it for once, right? It's like maybe like three months long. But this is why network marketing won't go anywhere. Now, of course, is it different from what it was like 20 years ago? Absolutely. Like, you have to adapt, you have to evolve. But the basic of the same is the same. Like, selling, the core skill is the same. Everybody gets to enter at a point where they didn't know how to sell before, but now they do, right? I was horrible at selling before when I started, but can I say I'm a little bit better? Yeah. I wouldn't say I'm like genius expert in my mind, in my 4D, 510, my 15D. Yeah, I am. But like in reality, I don't think I'm there yet, but it does not matter, right? So when people say, yeah, it doesn't work, my love, we're the 11th. Order, get paid, right? Order, get paid. For the people in the back, order, somebody orders, you get paid. Do you see that? Like, you can make money. It's just because you don't want to invest. But let me tell you this, when you worked at McDonald's or you worked in like sales or whatever, you have to have an outfit. You have to buy before getting the outfit. So you're already in debt and you have to pay. Anything requires an investment. The smartest way is just finding, okay, who can I help? And we all can find minimum 5 people that are wanting to take care of their body some way, shape, or form, right? And that's you, and you're like, hey, I need to go make money. Absolutely. Draw me hashtag hybrid. Let's get you started. Message me on Facebook or IG. If not, you can probably see my WhatsApp number somewhere, wherever you